Welcome back to our channel Respect Education. Okay, now we see example 8.6 which is there in the page number 109. Let us see the question. A car accelerates uniformly from 18 km per hour. It is given as 18 km h inverse. It can also be read as 18 kmp h to 36 km per hour in just 5 seconds. Now the question is that calculate, there are two bits. First bit is the acceleration and the second bit is the distance covered by the car in that time, means in the 5 seconds. Now here let us write the given data. The car changes its speed from 18 km per hour to 36 km per hour. Here you do understand. This is the initial velocity. 18 km per hour is the initial velocity. It is changed to 36 km per hour, that is the final velocity. So let us write now, given initial velocity, that is denoted by small u, is the first value, that is 18 kmp h, and also given final velocity denoted by small v, that is what here 36 kmp h. Now the given time is 5 seconds. Time taken denoted by small t, that is 5 seconds. Here you see. Now our task is either to convert kilometer per hour into meter per second or second into hour. Here in this problem I would have to convert this 18 km per hour into meter per second. So 18 let us write as it is multiplied by, since we need to convert into meter per second, as we are converting into the smaller units or small units, then it will multiply by 5 by 18, right? If it is given in meter per second, if we are asked to find it kilometer per hour, then the value to be multiplied by 18 by 5. Those who are having doubt in the conversion, they can follow my previous videos to get a good idea over this. Now here let us cancel 18 and 18. Now here we get the answer as 5 meter per second. This is the initial velocity. Same way final velocity 36 into, here same way kilometer per hour I would like to convert it to meter per second. As I am converting into the smaller units, I would like to multiply this value with again 5 by 18. Now here you do the cancellation. This is 18 1 jar and 18 2 jar, 36. So 2 5 jar 10 meter per second. This is the final velocity. Now the given time is 5 seconds. Here is the meter per second, second. Now okay. Now the calculate first bit is that acceleration. Now the question is to find acceleration. Acceleration is denoted by small a. That is what we need to find. If the velocities are in meter per second and the time is in second, then acceleration will be in meter per second square. Here in the earlier problem or earlier video I have told you how these units also can be converted into meter per second square. So without getting repeated, I may suggest you to please watch those videos to get a clear idea about meter per second, second, and especially how we get this acceleration in meter per second square. Now here we will continue with this. As here you read the question once again, a car accelerates uniformly. You just understand the sentence in the given question. if any object is moving with uniform acceleration, then its motion can be described by using one of the three equations. Let us see what are those equations. Here I am writing the first equation is v is equal to u plus at, and the second equation is s is equal to ut plus half at square, and third equation is 2as is equal to v square minus u square, in which here u is initial velocity, v is final velocity, t is time taken, a is acceleration, and s is the distance travelled by the object. Now here, according to the question asked and according to the given data, we need to select the suitable formula. Here you see we are asked to find a, whereas u, v and t values are given. Here you see u, v and t values are given, we are asked to find a. Let us apply the first formula for finding the unknown value, that is acceleration. So here let us write we have v is equal to u plus at. Let us substitute the values. V is here 10. On substitution 10 is equal to u. U means 5 plus a, that is what we don't know, we have to find it. Let us write a as it is, into t. T is here 5 seconds. Now on simplification, let us send 5 this side. 10 minus 5 is 5 is equal to 5a. 5 into a is 5a. As we are asked to find a is equal to, let us send 5 here. It is 5 by 5 means 1. So here we get a as 1. As I have told you earlier, the units for the acceleration is meter per second square in this problem. Clear? So here the answer is the acceleration of the car is 1 meter per second square. And here with this first bit completed, and let us move forward to the solving the second bit. Here you see second bit now, that is the distance covered by the car in that time, means in the 5 seconds. So distance covered by the car, simply I am writing distance covered, that is denoted by s. That is what we need to find. Let us see the units of s. When the velocity of meter per second, time is second, then the distance E will be in meters. If they are kilometer per hour, and time is in hour, then distance will be in kilometers. Clear? Now here we are going to find the distance s, for which here you can select which formula is suitable. See, in the first one the s is not at all, it is not there. That's why here first one is not suitable for the finding distance covered. In the second equation s is there, in third equation also s is there. Now here it is up to you which one you can select. It's not at all a problem, because here if you select second one, to find s we need u, it is ready 5. We need t, that is also ready, that is also 5. And 1 by 2 let us write as it is, and a is 1. And t square is already 5 is this, so 5 square. So you can apply, you can use the second formula, or third one also can be used. 2, let us say 2 as it is, a means here 1. Yes, that is what we need to find. Let us mention the s as it is, and v square and u square, 10 square and 5 square. So everything is ready. So here I would like to use the third formula, third equation, with which we can get the value of s easily. If not, even you can take second one also, it's not a problem. So here I am writing, we have 2as is equal to v square minus u square. Let us substitute the values. 2 means 2, and here a means here 1, we got it. So 2 into 1 into s, that is what we need to find. Let us mention, or let us maintain or mention s as it is. V square is 10 square minus u square is 5 square. Here is say v is 10 meter per second, u is 5 meter per second. Now let us simplify here. 2 1 are 2, 2 into s is 2 times s is equal to 10 square is 100, 5 square is 25. 100 minus 25 is 75. Now here s is, let us send 2 here down, 75 by 2, that is 37.5 units. I have told you already, meters, right? 37.5 meters. Now here let us add the Conclusion, therefore, first bit, the acceleration is, the acceleration of the car, or simply the acceleration is, already we got here 1 meter per second square, 1 meter per second square, and the distance traveled is, and the distance traveled is, we got it just now, 37.5 meter by the car in this time, that is in 5 seconds. So with this example 8.6 gets completed. If you feel this video is helpful to you, please like, share and subscribe our channel, and please do not forget to press the bell button so that you will get the notifications from our channel. Thank you very much.